This is my new acquisition here. It's a Yamaha R6 2008. I think they call it 13S as a model. Only has 21,000 miles on it, which is great for a bike this year. Now, most of the damage is cosmetic here. The guy said that basically he just missed a corner and went straight into a ditch, destroying some of the plastics, most of it in the front of the bike. Luckily the headlight, instrument cluster and some other bits are saved. So I got them here and they look okay. Let me show you this is the headlight. It has a few mounting points which are broken, but I'll sort that out, and even if I have to replace it, it's not that expensive, luckily. The cluster, it's in perfect condition, nothing broken, nothing even scratched. It looks very good. I got this part here with air temperature sensor, I think that is, or the air pressure sensor. Yeah, see, only this part, the left side of the headlight is saved. The other one, I think it's broken and ditched already. Some other few bits and pieces. The main fairings, big ones, they are in pretty good condition, to be honest, except this one, which is a little bit scratched, but nothing else. It's not broken, it's not cracked, it's in one piece, so this could be easily repaired with a little bit of, you know, body filler and some paint. This is also okay. It needs a new paint, not bad thing. The screen is also in pretty, yeah, I mean, it's all dusty and stuff, but it's in pretty good condition. I think the bike was standing for about a year now. Yeah, and this looks like a very promising project right here. I've already ordered a new set of fairings. This color, oh, this is the alarm, by the way, it has data tool alarm. So yeah, it will be the same color, which is matching the logbook in a way. I also ordered a new pair of shit. This alarm. At least it works. I have two remotes. Yeah, I ordered a new set of mirrors. I did order another nose fairing because the new one doesn't come with the side light bracket, basically. So I bought a whole set because it only costs £10 more than buying only the bracket for the side light. And luckily with that I could make probably another set of fairings, a good set of fairings, you know, just to have them as a spare, maybe sell them. I haven't thought about it yet, but yeah, that's due to delivery today, and I'm looking forward because today most probably I'll put this old fairings back on it just to see the way it comes all together, the way it looks, and just to decide what am I going to do with them. Yeah. Otherwise, the bike, it's in pretty good shape. I have good tires. I didn't check the age, but they should still be good. A lot of tread on them. Probably it will get an oil change, maybe a coolant flush and change as well. And this doesn't look good at all. I mean, he did say that he cleaned and lubed the chain once every 2 months or so, but this is not the right remote, sorry. But yeah, it didn't stand to the weather and it's all rusted now. I like this. I never seen a foot stand like this aluminum one. It's very light and it looks much better than a regular one, which it will get rusty sooner or later anyway, just like this one. Very nice. Nice forks. Everything looks straight. I did rode it a little bit on a small street here, just to see the way it rides, if it's all straight, all feeling good. We got this all bent up, but shouldn't be an issue to bend it back or remove it or replace it. I'll think about it. And I like this end of exhaust. It's not that doesn't have any baffles or anything like that. It's just a piece of pipe which looks good, if you're asking me. I don't know the brand, I don't know what's the make, but anyway, it doesn't have any function here, so it doesn't really matter which brand it is, to be honest. Unless you want to see, you know, a Krapovich and Two Brothers signs on the back exhaust, if it makes you feel faster or better or something. Yeah, other than that, the bike is really nice. It's a really nice bike compared with my GSXR K4 here. I don't know, but it feels like a feather. It feels so small and nimble and fast. Yeah, you can compare this. This feels like a Miata and that feels like a Chevy. Yeah, it's a very nice bike. So we'll see how the project goes. Stay tuned and I'll keep you up to date. Okay, next up, for my peace of mind, until I will manage to replace the chain and the sprockets, I'll try to clean it, see how good. I mean, it's not stuck anywhere. It looks pretty clean, you know, not clogged up with heavy grease and stuff like that. It's a bit loose as well, but that's not my concern for now. I got some diesel here, which I like to use to clean up heavy dirt and stuff like that. Then I'll have some WD-40 to clean it. Obviously some brake cleaner just to take off and dry off whatever I need. And then finally I got I like this one, like iPhone Extreme Chain Lube. It's a very good one. It's a very nice and seems to be protecting very good, and it doesn't spill, which is amazing. You know, you don't get all your bike dirty after greasing the chain. So let's get to it. First I'll start with the heavy stuff. Ah, the stupid alarm. Shit. I have to do something about that. Too bad it's all rusty. It's not like a thick rust, but anyway, you don't play with the chain. For now I'll just get it nice and clean, and then when I'll have the chance I'll just buy a new kit and I'll put it on. As you can see, it started to come together and it does look very good. You see these panels here have some scratches and even bigger one here, which this, you know, needs fill up and respraying. But other than that, you see these front fairings, they're complete. There's nothing broken on them. A little dirty, but not a big problem, and they come together really nicely. There you go, this is the final result. This will be the spare set of fairings. Most probably I'll fix them properly. You know, the scratch right here. I bought this nose. It came without the glass, just the plastics, and of course the side light bracket, which I needed very much. It had a little damage here, but yeah, it's fixable anyway. This I'll have to get a new one because it's missing, a part of it is missing. Anyway, the bike looks amazing. I don't even know if I'll be able to sell it. It looks too good. Yeah, so this will be the final of this video, but another one, a part 2, will come when I get the other set of fairings. And yeah, I'll upload it after I finish doing that.